So tasty, so refreshing. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a blueberry peach smoothie with flaxseed and pumpkin seed. No, chia seed and pumpkin seed. Alright, so it's blueberry peach smoothie with chia seed and pumpkin seed. Okay, so remember to like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your subscribe. Thank you so much guys, and remember to follow me on all social at Handbooth. Okay, thank you so much. So let's dive right into the video. I have here all fruits frozen, the berries and the peach, they are all frozen. I have coconut water that I will be using, the chia and flaxseed, and some yogurt. And I'm gonna get started. So I'm gonna add these to the blender. I'm gonna add the seeds. Yogurt, everything frozen, so I have to add the blender. I'm gonna add the coconut water, same one I'm always using with the pulp. Cover, and I'm going to blend. Okay. And there I have it guys, all done. This is going to be interesting because all the fruits, everything was frozen, and the blender struggled to blend because everything was frozen. So I had to add more liquid for it to go. So let's see. Wow. This is it guys, this is it. It's my blueberry peach smoothie with chia and pumpkin seed. So delicious, well icy, well cold, yeah, well icy and well cold. Okay guys, so go ahead and try the smoothie guys, you will love it. It's my blueberry peach smoothie with chia seed and pumpkin seed. Okay, thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for liking, thank you so much for sharing. Okay guys, so until my next video, bye.